Let's make hibachi style Japanese zucchini. Let's go. Wash your zucchini very well, cut off the ends, and then you're gonna slice it lengthwise, and then you're gonna slice the zucchini again through the middle. So all your pieces should be very uniform. You can even cube these if you want, but make everything uniform. Then make a sauce: soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, mirin, garlic powder, white pepper, and brown sugar. I put measurements in the description for you. Add some cornstarch. That part is also very important. Whisk it really well. Then use a high heat temperature oil like avocado. Put that in your pan and sear the zucchini. Don't move it around. That way it becomes really beautifully golden and seared. When it's almost done and starts to become aromatic and is really nicely seared, put in your sauce and bring it to a high simmer for about 1.5 minutes, and it's gonna perfectly glaze the zucchini. This was Jackie. Please follow and subscribe for more easy Asian recipes that you could do at home.